Hey guys, what's up? It's Plutonium89 here. Today we are going to be showcasing a demo called Happy Camper, and he'll take it away.
So Happy Camper is 23 shots and it is by TSky Fireworks. I personally have never heard of TSky Fireworks before I bought this cake, but it looks pretty cool. I like the design on it, that's kind of funny. So up to 200 grams, but the pattern is vertical and the balls break middle to high. And so here you can see the effects of it. Looks quite nice. I wouldn't be surprised if this was one of the best cakes of the stash. So hope you guys like it. TSky Fireworks, Happy Camper.
Happy Camper!
Happy Camper.